Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much. Hey, hi friends. So friends, today in this video we are watching the sliding wardrobe designs for the bedrooms, because when you consider getting a new wardrobe or changing the existing one, the designs become the most important factor, as wardrobe's main usage is space management. So sliding door wardrobe not only looks trendy but also offers more utility, as the doors can slide seemingly, and on top of that save space, as doors don't need to open the outwards. So the design of your wardrobe speaks the volume about your personal taste and style statement. The design and the selection of the color of wardrobe laminate should match or contrast with the surrounding decor in order to the room interior. So also choosing the sliding wardrobe over a classic swing door ones depend upon your door decor setup. A sliding door wardrobes go well with the modern interior setup, especially when you seek limited but organized space. So with the onset of economical smart homes having the less space, sliding door wardrobe have taken the world by storm, as they offer the huge possibilities of customization along with the less space consumption. Other plus point of sliding door wardrobe is that they can be used in any space irrespective of the decor aspect. Just change the laminate and done with it. So there are some benefits of the sliding door wardrobes. Sliding door wardrobes require the less space and provide the more visuality to the stuff keep inside them, since the door does not interfere with light unlike swing doors. Due to the sliding action, it gives the easier access to the wardrobe, unlike the hing door wardrobe that itself requires some space for door opening. They require the comparatively less maintenance than the swing door wardrobes. They offer the more options for personalized designs, customization and better essence. Mirror sliding door wardrobes makes the room look more spacious by providing the better reflect of light. The sliding wardrobe has now a larger capacity and can accommodate significantly more material. The innovative sliding doors further the basic functionality. Doors may be slid over the with ease, to state that the designs are functional and sufficient. As a result, one can decide appropriately based on the size of the space and the same. Wardrobes with the sliding doors are one such decor choice which can add tremendous value in terms of function and style. So since such doors slides channels, they do not need any space to open out with swinging doors, making them an ideal storage solution for the small bedrooms and rooms or hallways in a limited space. So for your sliding wardrobe design to be accurate, it will be neat to an exact fit. Although it is sound of obvious measuring up correctly, that said the first stage in the wardrobe configuration progress. So in this video I have shown you the beautiful wardrobe designs for the bedroom. So when deciding to make the wardrobe designs, there are some points to be considered. First, choose the range. First, decide your budget. From this, you can customize your choice further using the configure. Another thing is to decide the doors, frames, and the door panels. The next step in the process is to choose your doors and frames. Sliding wardrobes are available in either of choice 3 to 4 doors depending on the measurement. So finally choose an interior. Once you have chosen your sliding wardrobe door designs, it is to customize the interior. In this video I have shown you the beautiful wardrobe designs so that it will help you to select the best designs for your home. You can see that there are the small and the large wardrobe designs. Because it can be fit in a small or a large bedroom. If the room size is small, then the best choice is a sliding wardrobe. Also, they look sleek and just perfect, adoring the modernity. The outer look of the sliding wardrobes can have a laminate finish, acrylic, or the polymer shutters. The space optimization and exclusive design options making the sliding wardrobe and the best choice for accommodating a perfect storage space in the bedrooms. So friends, I hope that you will like all the designs. So friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you so much.